All right, today you are going to continue working on TinkerCad.com. Once you're to TinkerCad.com, it should be linked on your Google Classroom. You will click sign in once again, sign in with Google. And once you get signed in, you are going to click on learn in the upper right corner. It will automatically bring you to starters. And you will see place it, view it, move it, rotate it. You can click on see all starters to see all the different tutorials they have. You are going to be working through each of these. So you're going to start by clicking on place it. On the very left side, you will notice it gives you a little blurb about it. It tells you the instructions of what you need to do. For place it, you are literally just taking the red box, moving it to the orange hint box. You hit next on the left side here, and it says you did it, great work. Okay, so then you would take a screenshot of this, and you'll notice on your TinkerCad digital notebook, it says, click learn then starters on slide 5, exactly what I just told you to go through. You are going to do these starters that are here, and it says to place a screenshot of every successful lesson on the following slides. On slide 6, it tells you exactly what your screenshot should look like. You must include the starter lesson name, the congratulations, you did it, and the stars jumping out, proving that you finished it. Okay, so place it here is where you would add your screenshot for the first one. Then you move on to view it, move it, rotate it. I want you to at least get through slides 7 through 10 today. If you finish, you can move on, but you will have time to work on size it up, group it, and align it tomorrow as well. Work hard, email me if you have any problems.